Concrete is the foundation of society and is the strongest building material that we've been able to develop that is easily transportable, malleable, and that's why we see cement used in concrete across the world.
Cement and concrete represents about 8% of the world's emissions, and that all being on a trajectory that's about in New York City every month for the next 40 years. We need to secure the materials necessary to provide all of the cement and concrete, but also address the carbon problem that's associated with that.
Cement is made through a chemical process of heating up limestone in a kiln to very, very high temperatures. We see the release of CO2 from that limestone, and we get an end product called clinker. We then grind it down to become a powder, and that's the cement that we use today. We are seeing a dwindling supply of the materials that are used to reduce the amount of clinker within the cement blend. You can't just electrify this problem away. You actually have to find alternative materials to displace the use of clinker within the cement blend.
Carbon Upcycling's technology allows us to use CO2 emissions that come from conventional industrial plants, and we combine that in our patented reactor with industrial byproducts. Inside that reactor, we allow that CO2 to chemically bond to the material, and at the same time, we're improving the performance and reactivity of that material that looks and feels like conventional SCMs and can be integrated with any cement plant.
Carbon Upcycling's technology has a great advantage of being integrated into existing cement plant processes without disrupting the cement production itself. By localizing low-carbon cement manufacturing, we solve the problem of today's global supply chains, so we increase the security of actual materials being used in those cement processes, and we also lower the carbon footprint.
If we want to meet the demand of a growing built environment, we have to be able to find alternative materials to replace these conventional ones that are in short supply. It really helps reduce the dependence on foreign imports and creates a circular economy model right on site.
We can actually produce a cost-competitive cement alternative for these producers to reach their decarbonization targets without having significant economic impacts to their production, ensuring that this is a usable solution today.